Now, recent surveys show that 42% of enterprises needed access to 8 or more different data sources just to deploy one agent. Your agent needs to talk to your CRM, your ERP, your ticketing system, your database, your legacy app, and 12 other things. So here's the kicker. These systems are fragmented. They use incompatible formats and have inconsistent terminology, and half of them duplicate or missing data. So this is why I hear all the time you need IA before you need AI. You need infrastructure architecture before you need artificial intelligence. Feeding an agent incomplete or low quality data is like hiring someone and handing them a corrupted instead of instruction manuals. Companies discover too late that their data infrastructure simply isn't ready for agents. No unified pipelines, no governance, no standardization. Without clean, integrated data, your agent will make inaccurate decisions, give flawed recommendations, and destroy trust faster than you can say garbage in, garbage out, or they're just going to fall flat on their face. So remember, most enterprise systems were never designed with AI agents in mind. Many weren't even designed with APIs in mind. So I've seen companies try to integrate agents with ERPs from the 1990s that require brittle connectors that nobody knows how to fix anymore. There are in-house apps written on decade ago in frameworks nobody touches anymore with authentication schemes that make security teams cry. Backend systems so complex that you need 3 days just to understand what they're actually used for. And that's before you try to connect anything to it. So getting access means negotiating with IT and security teams who are already overwhelmed, understaffed, and have zero time for your fancy new AI project. Integration isn't connecting an API. It's navigating decades of tech debt, ownership battles, and brittle dependencies that break if you look at them wrong. Now, again, I'm not saying you shouldn't implement agents, but this is just what the reality is going to be when you need to start work. So you need to start that work early and get the documentation before you go write that check to the AI company. Now, 62% of practitioners cite security as their top challenge with AI agents, and that's for good reason. These agents need access to sensitive data. They're making autonomous decisions, and one mistake can violate compliance regulations or cause some big data problems. I've watched companies rush agents to production without proper role-based access controls, without encryption, without audit trails, and causing huge problems. Healthcare, finance, government, these industries face regulations that can shut down your entire agent strategy if you're not careful. If you like this clip, make sure you check out the full Startup Hack Live video here because we've got lots more for you today.